So far, guys, the place is still under construction, so therefore you're gonna see a lot of men, a lot of noise within the area. So that is what's happening right now. As you can see, the place is still not ready, as in the groundwork, but I think it is gonna be very, very, very interesting, right? So this is the main entrance where we came, and this is in Sunflower Drive.
Hi guys.
I see your vlog.
Hey,
Hi.
hey, take care.
That's nice. Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I know that you guys have been missing us for quite a little while. We have a video coming as to why we were MIA for 2 weeks basically, so stay tuned for that video. However, today's video is a updated video of the Gore house development unit. Remember, I said in the previous the first video that we did, sorry, that they will be having the townhouses first. So we are actually at the model unit currently, and we will be bringing you guys inside. So as you can see from the area, it's still in the construction phase. However, they do have one unit that you can go and look at to see if you are interested, and you know, all of that. So that's what we will be doing today. So come along with us guys so that you can see what's in store. Have shoes, not true.
You have to take off your shoes?
You don't have to.
Okay.
My face looks so clean.
Alright, guys.
Alright, welcome. Alright, so we'll be escorted.
So whatever information you have for us, you have about the
unit itself,
Right.
yeah.
But it can.
Oh, we door in your quarter, right?
That's alright.
fine.
Okay, so we're currently in one of the townhouses.
What's your name, by the way?
Siberia.
Okay, this is Siberia, and she's gonna be assisting us today.
2 rooms, 1.5 bathroom.
2.5 bathroom. So guys, this is the half bathroom,
Right.
and you can see it's well lit. I like it a lot. Small, right? This is what you're gonna be getting, guys.
Yes.
Right? Windows. And remember guys, when you come to the half bathroom, guys, you guys can always, if you have visitors, they can just use this instead of using your personal bathroom. You can see it's well nice. Nice cupboard, nice, all of that. Material is not bad. And I like the mirror and the little light bulb. Everything. Right? I think this is an alarm?
Yes.
Okay, so you have alarm system, guys. So for safety purpose, you can the clock door. Then okay, this is it.
The laundry. This is just a setup as to how you can
Mhm.
You can do your own thing.
Okay,
Open floor
so-
plan, as you can see.
So this is the kitchen area. As you can see, this is where you're gonna cook and wash your plates and all of that. Yes, so as you can see, kitchen area, cupboard, windows nice, like the blinds, right? Nice stove, and these are gonna be these gonna be a part of it.
No, you don't get it with any appliance or anything.
Wow, but this is like the basic idea.
Yes.
So why you guys didn't just put in everything and then just let the person pay for
it.
them?
It's a case where somebody wants the appliances as well.
With it?
the
Yes.
or furniture.
I'm not sure as to that.
Mhm.
But I will ask.
But
Oh.
because
Thought about it.
just look at this right now. This is a good
And then some people just buy everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Yes, I
Look-
understand. But the reason why they haven't done it, not everyone will like.
Yes,
color
yeah,
or-
that's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
so-
okay. So this is the kitchen area, guys. As you can see, it's well nice, well organized, well
Nice.
intact. You have the colors, but these are gonna be intact though.
Yes.
Okay, the cupboards. Okay, so you're gonna get the cupboards and the counters. Alright, and the colors are the same colors.
The gray.
Okay, it's
the
not
gray
bad.
is nice.
This tool will also be extended about 6 inches more. So you know you can have a breakfast.
Hold on, let me see this. Hold on.
Okay.
Come, Kim, look at this.
Wow.
These are your drawers.
Mhm.
The cabinetry is very nice. hear that?
Yeah. Solid.
Oh, you said this can
like-
extend?
Yes, it will be extended.
Oh, it will. So it will come
come out.
out
Okay.
this way a little bit
Yes.
more, so you can have more area for, you know.
Okay, and the top of this is like marble, so it's
Yes.
well solid, won't get
Hear
rocked.
that? You know,
And
flimsy.
for the floor, I think it's one tile go right through.
One tile,
Yes.
And remember, guys, that this is just the viewing model. So what you see here is not what you're gonna get, right? So you can put a nice dining table right here, so you can eat with your family and all of that. You know it can go already. And then this is now the entertainment area where you sit and watch television, most likely YouTube and watch us. So if you guys interested, you buy this unit so you guys can watch us live on YouTube with that big flat screen TV. Right? You have AC unit, and you have the good thing about it. You have lights above and you have lights on the wall. So as you can see, so this place, guys, is gonna be very very lit. So you guys won't be able to complain, say you have darkness.
Alright,
Right?
and this usually this is for 17
This
million.
is the 18. This is the end unit.
Oh, this is the end.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, so the end unit, listen to this carefully. The end unit is for 18, and as you go along, in the middle ones are for 17.
Alright. So this is the end
So
unit.
it continues.
Okay, so this is patio outside, and this is the little back area. Just to let you guys know that we are in Sunflower Drive, the same area that we went before, right? But as you can see, you have your little back space where nobody cannot peep on you, right? You have a little your back door, you can exit. But we're not gonna exit today because rain fell, so we know how many people in place. You can sit outside and enjoy yourself.
Alright. Oh, so this is just your little back area. Yeah, go hang up your clothes around here, and you know, make your little line and
Yeah.
so on. Set up a place.
So guys,
If you are interested.
you do the talking, guys.
And this is the, remember, look at the slide door. Slide door.
Perfect.
Slide door.
And
Alright.
it's very very nice.
Very secure.
Yes.
Alright, I'll go over here. We need to show over on this
Oh, which
side.
side? Sorry. I mean, okay.
Over on this side, you can have your little office area.
Mm-hmm.
If
If you
or
wish,
however
for the
you
downstairs.
choose
Oh,
to set it up.
we missed out one thing. This is the laundry area, guys. So as you can see, this is the laundry area.
King size.
Okay.
Which one is the
So-
king size bedroom? Okay. So enter into the king size
King size
bedroom. Follow rock. Ooh-wee.
Wow. Are
Wow.
really king size too? This is nice.
Wow.
This
Mm.
is nice. Honestly, guys,
Let me just explain. These windows will be changed.
Mhm.
You know, they have the AC and the material coming in and out. You know what I'm saying? So they'll change it so it can be closed.
close.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So these windows will not be in. So don't come for the people that may come in. This will not be there. Okay. You have your dresser. You can put your dresser there. Your chest of drawer, wherever you may have. You can put it in that little area there. And it comes with the AC unit, of course.
And the room, what size room? You know what size
I'm
room?
not sure.
Okay. Okay, okay. But guys, look at it again. Look at the setup. You guys can always use their setup. So I'm giving you guys idea to use so you can have the best.
You can step out on your back.
Can step out on the balcony. Woo!
It's not much. Wait, this will be extended.
Well, someone just asked, you know, first, if they could,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Yeah, man. I think this
I
can
think
be
it'd be
extended.
yes, right to the edge.
Yeah, you can have a little step out.
Right.
Yes, because this that is already a security. So I think if it extended, it'd be better.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
What
Alright.
do you guys think?
Yes. What do you guys think about the extension?
Yeah.
The floor, the ceiling is very tall. You have a ceiling fan with a light because these persons are strict with light.
The windows will be changed.
Okay. Alright, so now we are going to the bathroom, the favorite part of any house,
Yes.
which is the bathroom. So this is it. Rakisha, test the bathroom. Let us see what's going on. Yeah.
Hello, my people.
Wait, what's in here?
Ooh.
Shower. Look. Like people have all like them nice decor shower.
Are you gonna buy one of these units? Yeah.
We
Okay.
want one let me tell you guys.
The closet.
Closet space as well. See, so you have a lot of storage above, and also here you have some storage. This is me inside, so you know it is like right here.
So
So
yeah.
you know you have a chest of drawer for extra storage and so on. So
It's not that bad.
it's not bad. Oh. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright,
So,
on to the next.
And that is for the room.
This is the master bedroom.
Yeah. Not bad. Alright, then we're moving on. Remember that is the steps, right? So it's upstairs and downstairs basically. Then we enter into like the guest room or children room.
But
Right,
it's not
second
almost
room.
the same size as the other one.
That one big over there. Okay. So this is the next room.
Because it's you cannot fit probably dresser over here.
Yeah.
They almost look like the same size. I like it. And the windows will be changed.
Right.
I repeat that again. So you have a chest of drawer, your dresser you can put here, you decorate your little space, closet space again, some more storage.
The same.
above.
It's the same size like over there, right?
Same
For the
size,
closet.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have your bed, your side table, and it has its own bathroom. And the balcony as well.
Same thing for the balcony.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same balcony. And you can see a backyard.
Yeah.
The cooking.
And see your neighbors.
You can see backyard, your neighbor. Oh, and the sea view. Excuse me.
Oh, you have some sea view.
Sea view is
As you can
right
see.
there.
That hounds of blue right there.
Is the sea.
The
And
sea
you see a
view.
backyard.
Right? And that's it for this room. So it can be a guest room or for the kids
For the
room.
kiddies.
Mhm.
And the bathroom.
Right, and now entering into the second bathroom. Right, you have AC control on the wall. Remember, the house have AC and the house have fan with light. Right, and then you have a bathroom which is very very bright. So you guys would love to do selfie in bathroom, you can always do a selfie like this. Selfie! Alright? And
And
then
you have your shower and you just love the wood where they use.
Yeah.
The color just make it taste bright. So this corner unit, guys, $18 million. I guess the middle units are the same. They are the same. Oh, over there, over here. No, they will be able to do it.
18 mil? So the price start from 18, and this is the cheapest.
No man, this the middle ones are 17. Remember
Okay.
that this is the corner one.
Yeah.
It will
Okay.
be a little bit bigger than the middle one.
Okay.
So if you get out the middle, if you get the end lot, end townhouse, you'll have a bigger space.
Okay.
So, guys, I love this unit. Personally, I do like it. I was a little bit iffy about townhouses and all of that, but it's comfortable to me. I think it's how we can live here. Not sure we can like this unit. I feel like we're not comfortable in here. And we can grow two people in here too. Everything. Not sure okay. Yeah. Yeah, everything that space here nice for somebody who really want big place. You can start off here, as well as it is a property that you can invest in. It's a very good investment property. You can rent it out or you can Airbnb it out.
Yeah.
All of those little stuff you can do. I think at Airbnb with how the model is right now, perfect. You will get people to come here.
You can watch television.
We like this, we like it, we not telling no lie. What do you guys think? What do you guys think so far?
Unit is a
Okay.
1302 square foot,
Oh,
and the middle 1280
Alright, so this is the one that we are in.
in right now.
So it's
currently.
1302 square feet.
Yes.
And the middle ones, if you get a middle lot which is for 17, the square feet is 1,280.
Okay.
Alright. So for the entire scheme area, do you know the amenities that will be here?
As in,
Like pool and gym
there will
something
be
like-
a playground for like kids.
Playground
No
for
pool
kids.
though.
No pool?
No pool.
Okay.
There will be a play area for kids. A park.
Okay, so this is here, nice.
So this is the layout also. This is where we're currently at.
Okay, so we
Okay,
came
here.
through this gate right here, through the little lane, and we are right here at the moment. Alright, so you're going, this is how over here will be set up for the, this is the townhouses, right?
Yes, just townhouses.
So these are
92 in total.
92 townhouses. 92 townhouses will be here, guys. Do you know when they will be accepting deposits? or
I'm not
anything?
sure, but they will email like interested ones, or you can visit their website,
Oh,
goredevelopments.com.
Yeah, I'm always on it. One of our subscribers told us that it was open for viewing, and then when I went on the website and looked, it was there.
Right.
So big up to that subscriber who mentioned it. I'm not remembering the name. I'll leave it on the screen somewhere. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you. Alright, so this is it. So we're here. So you're coming here and we're right here. Oh, and the play area, no. Where's the play area?
Park.
Oh, so this
is
little
the
area
open
right here.
space, Yes.
Okay, so it's a little stretch that you can run around or, ride a bicycle.
So this is gonna be the road, right? Or within
this is just the
Oh.
drain channel.
Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
within here it's gonna be the road. Broken lines.
For
Okay.
This is like a driveway.
Mm-hmm. I understand.
Outline it. So,
Okay.
yeah, man.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
To
there's
see where
like
parking
4
will
units
be.
each.
Mm-hmm.
So, 2 middle, 2 end, and then you have a
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
each of them.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And everything is identical.
Yes, it will
Okay.
be.
All right. So you guys.
Alright, so I'll be putting down my name.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. Work on clean car.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one, yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright, no problem. No problem.
Man, I work down in car, so no see say, it don't really matter what type of work you do in this country. Yeah?
Sure.
You see that?
Be clean out.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Can't be the word. So remember guys, so this is Sunflower Drive guys, and we came here before where we show you guys the house for $41 million that is very very close to this development, which is right in that area, right, as you can see. Sunflower Drive, right? Nice area, and these are the previous, these are townhouses within the area already, right?
Guys, as well, we thought that the entrance to the whole unit, the units that they will be providing, we thought that it would be up by where we videoed the last time, but actually that is the back gate. So the entrance to the actual unit, it will be on this side. We will show you guys the journey to come around here and somewhere where enter basically. Alright, so that I showed you last time was the back gate and we did not know. So luckily when we went there this morning, the security was coming around to this gate, so we got a ride with the security. So that was very good, so that we can show you guys what is up and what is going on. So I'm excited about the property. Leave your comments down in the description, what you like, what you dislike, you know, the usual, what you think they could improve on, whatever comment that you have down below guys, comment down below guys. We really appreciate all the comments, we really appreciate the feedback, because whatever you say, we can probably say to these people and probably they will make a change about it. Alright, and they can watch it as well. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video, which will be a live update video guys. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.